Until I was 13 or so, I never really appreciated the ocean. It was always near to me, but it seemed almost insignificant. When the time came for me to leave my Florida hometown, I became intrigued by the idea of a fresh start. So I turned my head, one last time, to try to smell the air from the Gulf of Mexico. But I couldn't savor it anymore. I shrugged my shoulders unconcerned and left. It's been almost 4 years since then, and Indiana has had everything I thought I wanted, but something was missing. All of the things that once brought me joy just felt unsatisfying. But I knew that wasn't the life I wanted to live. I began to remember the ocean crashing around me. I felt the powerful waves pulling me to places entirely unknown. But the answer was so simple. I realized then that for a long time I had been trying to fight the current, but I just needed to let go. From that moment on, I started to focus more on my passions. And by now, creativity is in every aspect of my life. My ambitions are as vast as the ocean itself. In my time here, I've learned to be creative, bold, and thorough in all that I do. But now I'm ready for my next challenge. I may still have an abundance to learn, but my clock up north has winded down, and the ocean calls me home.